Okay, welcome back. In the last lecture, we looked at Copilot for Sales and Copilot for Service. Now we shift to the operations side of Dynamics 365, finance and supply chain management. These Copilots handle some of the most tedious, high-volume work in enterprise operations: invoice processing, inventory management, procurement, etc. The exam tests your ability to design and orchestrate AI across these modules. So, Copilot for Finance sits inside the Finance app and automates tasks that accountants have done manually for decades. The headline feature is three-way invoice matching. So, an invoice arrives from a vendor, and the Copilot checks it against the purchase order and the receiving record. If all three match, auto approve. Mismatch on the quantity or the price, flag for human review. This process used to take hours per batch. Now it's seconds. Anomaly detection works alongside matching. If an invoice is 30% higher than normal for that vendor, Copilot flags it. It could be a price increase, it could be a typo, it could be fraud. The system catches it so that humans can investigate. Compliance checking runs every invoice against your spending rules. Is the vendor on the blacklist? Has the department exceeded its budget? The transaction exceeds authority limit. Copilot catches it and routes it to the right approver. At month end, Copilot will automate accrual recording, identifying invoices received but not yet paid, and calculating the accrual entries. The variance analysis compares actual spending to budget, highlighting exceptions so the finance teams can investigate the outliers instead of manually reviewing everything. So, Copilot for supply chain is typically more autonomous than the finance Copilot. It continuously monitors and proactively acts. So stockout prediction is the core feature here. The Copilot analyzes demand forecast, current inventory levels, and your supplier lead times. If it predicts a stockout, like component X will run out next Wednesday, which halts 3 production lines, it alerts the team, or it can auto-trigger a reorder. Quality flagging watches incoming shipments. Normal defect rate is, say, 2%, but a shipment comes in at 8%. Copilot will flag this immediately so you can investigate the vendor quality issue before accepting the full shipment. Logistics optimization consolidates shipments and optimizes carrier selection. Multiple orders going to the same region, combine them. Tight deadline, switch to an expedited carrier. The agent balances cost and speed based on your configured priorities. Inventory monitoring tracks both ends. So slow-moving items that should be marked for clearance, as well as fast-moving items where orders need to increase to be ahead of demand. On the exam, remember that supply chain agents are often autonomous and event-driven. That means governance questions will focus on confidence thresholds, escalation rules, and monitoring. The real power of Dynamics 365 AI is cross-module orchestration. Let me walk you through the scenario on screen, because this is exactly the kind of design the exam will test. So let's say a customer reports a defective product. Step 1, the service Copilot creates a case. It verifies warranty coverage and determines a replacement is covered. Step 2, a supply chain agent checks the nearest warehouse for inventory and initiates a shipment. Step 3, a finance agent creates a credit memo for the customer and schedules a vendor chargeback for the defective goods. Step 4, the case is updated with a tracking number and the customer is notified proactively. 4 modules: service, supply chain, finance, and then back to service, all coordinating automatically. The key is that Dataverse is the shared backbone. When service creates the case, supply chain sees it immediately. When finance posts the credit memo, it's linked to the same case. Every audit or every handoff is logged and auditable. This pattern applies beyond warranty claims, of course. A closed deal in sales can trigger finance to generate an invoice. An invoice mismatch in finance can trigger a supply chain to verify receiving records. The principle is the same. Agents in different modules react to shared data events and coordinate through Dataverse. The exam specifically tests whether you know that finance and operation apps support agent chat capabilities that can be extended with custom knowledge sources. So out of the box, F&O agents can answer questions about data in the system. An accounts payable clerk can ask, show me all the unpaid invoices over 90 days, and get an answer directly in the finance app. But you can extend these agents with custom knowledge sources. Maybe your company has internal accounting policies that go beyond what's in Dataverse, or supplier qualification procedures, or compliance guidelines specific to your industry. You add these as knowledge sources, and now the agent can answer questions like, what's our policy for approving invoices from new vendors? And that would be grounded in your actual policy documents. You can also extend the in-app help and guidance with custom knowledge bases. When a new hire is working in the SCM app and gets stuck on how to process a return, the in-app agent can walk them through your specific procedure, not just the generic Microsoft documentation. The design consideration is role mapping. Say an AP clerk needs access to invoice policies and vendor management procedures. A supply chain planner needs procurement rules and logistics guidelines. Map the right knowledge sources to the right roles so that each user gets relevant contextual help. So here's your takeaways. Number one, Finance Copilot automates invoice matching, anomaly detection, and compliance, all with audit trails for governance. Number two, Supply Chain Copilot predicts stockouts and optimizes logistics. It usually runs as an autonomous event-driven agent. So designed for confidence thresholds, escalation rules, and monitoring. Number three, cross-module orchestration across sales, finance, and service and supply chain is where the real enterprise value lives. Dataverse is the shared backbone, and governance must exist at every handoff. Number four, F&O agent chat can be extended with custom knowledge sources. Map these sources to user roles for relevant contextual guidance. So our next lecture, Microsoft 365 Copilot and Teams agent design. We'll cover how to extend everyday productivity tools with custom agents. We'll talk about graph connectors and agent discovery. So I'll see you there.